Well, hello and welcome to the Blemming channel. Thought I would light off a few fireworks here. To celebrate because the pumpkin pie factory is done. Okay, so I thought I would do a little video with a tour. And this is the view from the walkway. As you can see, the outside looks like a giant pumpkin. And the factory is itself made up of pumpkins. Anyway, so this is the view from the outside. Welcome to R.A. Casper's Pumpkin Pie Factory. I put these orange windows in here. Kind of dressed up the entrance. Oh, and on all the sides there's a little sign directing you to the side with the door. This is the I call it a kiosk. It's just the sign that tells you, feel free to look around, this is what it is. Take some pie if you choose. And I'm fully stocked right here. And I have a donation chest where if someone wants to donate something to me, they can put it here and it will automatically disappear and go into a chest that I have below. I'll show you that. This is the maintenance area here. This stairwell brings you to the back of the sugarcane farm, in case I have to do any adjustments back there. And this is chest where the donations go to. And this is one of the less glamorous parts of the pumpkin pie factory. This is my basement storage room that I built just to make it a little bit easier to organize stuff while I was building the place. We've got the minerals here, building materials, rocks, glass, wood and vegetable material, food, and tools and redstone and stuff here. And as you can see here, in Minecraft, pumpkin pie has 3 ingredients: pumpkin, egg, and sugar. So on the first floor I have a sugarcane farm, which is fully automatic. What happens is, right there, I'm pointing to it, is a bud switch, which stands for block update detector. Basically, when this sugarcane right here grows up into that spot, it will detect it, and the top 2 stone blocks all the way down will extend and then retract, breaking the sugarcane, dropping it in these hoppers, and it then goes into this chest. So I've got good supply of sugarcane here. And first floor, sugar. I have a water elevator. To use this, you just stand under it and push the space bar. And here we have the second floor. And somehow one of the chickens has gotten out. I don't see any. Well, someone's been, I think, someone's been up here throwing eggs. Alright, well, this is the chicken farm, which is pretty simple. It's just a bunch of grown-up chickens standing on this green carpet, which underneath that is a row of hoppers which feed into these two chests. As you can see, I've got quite a few eggs here and here. And then on the third floor is the automatic pumpkin farms. I've got two of them set up here. And these have been producing pumpkins. These farms don't seem to generate materials as fast as the other ones, but they're better than the last option that I had before I rebuilt the factory. Oh, and also the roof is glass. Top of the roof, I have the word pie spelled out in jack-o'-lanterns. That's so that if you look at the factory from above, like you would if you look at the dynamic map for this server, you'll see that. It's sort of an advertisement. And the way you make pumpkin pie, take your sugar cane and you convert it to sugar, and you put pumpkins, sugar, and eggs in a crafting area, and you get pie. Like so. Let's wait for the sugar farm to harvest. Well, this is my portal to the Nether Hub, which is sort of a quick way of getting around the server if you want to get to someone else's builds or get back to the spawn village. And I put this little sign here. Visit the Pumpkin Pie Factory, located at, and the coordinates are there. So if somebody is walking by here, they can see the glowing pumpkins and get a little invite to come and get some pie. There it goes. It's fully automatic. The pumpkins grow throughout the day. And then I have a couple of daylight sensors here which detect sunrise. So on sunrise of every day, all of these pistons extend and then retract, pushing the pumpkins down into hoppers, which are underneath the dirt, and they wind up in the chests. Fortunately, it's not perfect. Sometimes the pumpkins don't make it through. I suspect that's because I don't have... You see, they're kind of on the dirt. I don't have hoppers underneath this row of tilled dirt. I just have them in the middle. So that's the Pumpkin Pie Factory, which is now open for business on the full world on the Jupiter Broadcasting server. You are welcome to come and visit, take the tour, grab some pie, leave a little something if you don't mind. I'm pretty much out of iron at this point, so I could use some metals if you have any to spare. But certainly not required, you know, donations are purely optional. Watch out for the spiders. Okay, well, that is it for now, my friends. Thank you for watching.